Hey, Shopify store owners! Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to import orders into your Shopify store using StoreRobo. Whether you're migrating data, updating order details, or moving order records from another platform, this tutorial will help you do it quickly and efficiently. Compared with regular imports, StoreRobo gives you more flexibility and control. You can import only the required data, handle more complex imports, and even update existing orders without creating duplicates. This makes managing your store's order data easier and more efficient. Before starting the import process, it's essential to have your CSV file prepared correctly to avoid errors. Here's how to do it. Organize your columns. Your CSV should include columns such as ID, name, email, total price, order status, date, and line items. Ensure each column is clearly labeled and follows Shopify's format. Check for common issues. Ensure all headers are spelled correctly and all data is appropriately formatted. Numeric fields like prices should not include commas or currency symbols. Make sure text fields are free of extra spaces or special characters. Make sure the dates are in the right format. Save in a compatible format. Save your file as a CSV. If you are importing from another platform, like WooCommerce, ensure it follows the WooCommerce CSV format. If your store has custom fields, you can generate a CSV template using StoreRobo by exporting an order to get the correct format for all available columns. Now let's go through the process of importing orders using StoreRobo. Open the StoreRobo app in your Shopify store and go to the Import section. Upload your file from your computer, use a URL, or connect an FTP profile. You can also import orders directly from other platforms like WooCommerce. Once your file is selected, choose the delimiter used in the CSV file. By default, this will be a comma. If you're unsure or want to confirm the delimiter, use the preview option to check your file. If the file is correctly formatted, a preview of the first few rows will be displayed. If there's an issue, the preview will be broken. Next, select orders as the data type. If your file is named orders.csv, StoreRobo will automatically select the right data type. Click Proceed to preview and import your orders. StoreRobo will automatically detect and map all columns from the CSV. You can enable the Update Order option if you are updating existing orders or if you want to prevent the creation of duplicates. Now, you can schedule the import to run at a specific date and time or click Proceed to import the orders immediately. As the import progresses, new orders will be added to your store. Once the import is complete, you'll receive an email notification, and all the orders will appear in your Shopify store. Remember that the import time can vary depending on the data size you're importing. And that's it. Now you know how to import orders into your Shopify store using StoreRobo. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful content. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments or reach out to our support team.